The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for central Carroll County in north central Maryland, southeastern Frederick County in north central Maryland, until 8:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:45 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over New Market, Oregon, 7 miles north of Damascus, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, for those in the direct path of a tornado touchdown, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Mount Airy around 7:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Westminster around 8:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hampstead and Manchester around 8:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Carrollton, Reese, Monrovia, Wagner's Mill, Greenmount, New Windsor, Marston, and Unionville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.